Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to simply transfer your files from your laptop to your phone or from your phone to your laptop, right? So I am a graphic designer like most of you know, and I am constantly transferring things from my laptop to my phone or from my phone to my laptop. And traditionally I used my USB type C cord, yeah, because my phone is type C. So I use my cord, so I'm always plugging in my cord, plugging it out, plugging in, plugging it out, and it's very stressful, right? So I basically discovered an app that's pretty decent and it kind of saves you time and stress, and you can just transfer your stuff very easily, right? So it's called LocalSend. LocalSend. So that's the name of the app. So you can just basically go to your Play Store on your phone and download it, and then go to just search on Chrome on your PC and also download it as well. So you have to download the app on both your phone and on your PC, right? So I have it downloaded on both. Once you've downloaded it and you install it, all you have to do is just connect your phone to your PC via hotspot and via Wi-Fi, and yeah. So basically turn on your hotspot on your phone and then connect your phone, your laptop, your PC to the hotspot using Wi-Fi, right? And once you've done that, all you have to do is come into the app like this, right? So if you're looking at my screen, this is what the interface of the app looks like, right? So if I want to send from my phone to the laptop, all I have to do is stay on this receive end, right? On my phone I'm going to go to send, right? I'm going to go to send on my phone. And now if you look on my phone, you're going to see bright blackberry with the number 173, and if you look on my laptop, you're going to see bright blackberry as well. So that's the connection, right? The name they've given my laptop is bright blackberry 173. So I can see that here. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to file and I'll basically select any random thing I want to send. So I'll just click this first thing, this screenshot. I'll click it, so it has been selected, and then I'll click on my phone, and it has sent though. It has already sent. So let me try sending something a little bit bigger so that you guys can see what just happened, because it has already even sent. Let me find something a bit bigger. You can see how fast that was. I'm sure some of you will not even notice it. So let me send this video. If I click on this video and I click on bright blackberry 173, can you see that it's sending? See how fast it's going. I've just shown you how to send from your phone to laptop. If I want to send from my laptop to phone, I'll go to send here. I'll go to file and I'll go and select whatever I want to send. So let's go to download. I'll select this image of this guy. It has been selected. Alright, so it's actually looking for my phone name. It's looking for my phone. My phone name is Energetic Melon 95. Can you see it? Energetic Melon 95. I'll click on it and I have to accept it on my phone. I'll click on accept and it has sent to my phone. As simple as that. Can you see how fast that was? So now the update I want to share with Tunasha. If you're tired of plugging in your USB cord up and down, this is the perfect way to do it. The only downside it has is that if you disconnect your phone from your laptop, that's the Wi-Fi hotspot connection, if it gets disconnected, it will not send, or it will stop sending halfway. So you need to make sure that your phone is actually connected to your laptop, and it does not need data. You don't need data to send anything, just connect it without data, right? So I hope you guys learned something new, and I hope this was helpful, and if it was, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.